Friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to uninstall jgrasp from Windows operating system. Now friends, you can see here icon for jgrasp. Here I have installed jgrasp and now I want to uninstall this jgrasp. So for that purpose, I will tell the steps. First, within search box, you need to search the control panel. Once you open this control panel, here you will get the option in program and features. Okay, so just click on this program and features. Now here it is showing the list of applications you have or list of the programs you have installed on your machine. From here I want to uninstall jgrasp, so I will search within search box as jgrasp. Now see, it is showing this jgrasp is installed on my machine and I want to uninstall this. So just double click on it and it is showing option to uninstall this. So just click on this uninstall button and here it is showing uninstall was completed successfully. Click on close button. Now see here whatever desktop icon was there, it was deleted for the jgrasp. So in this way we have uninstalled jgrasp. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.